Someone's talking to you in English, but while you're still mentally translating what they just said, they've already moved on to the next sentence, and you missed it completely. This isn't a listening problem. It's a timing problem. Here's what's really happening. Your brain is trying to store every sentence like a full transcript, word for word, before moving to the next one. But real conversation doesn't wait. While you're finishing one sentence's translation, the speaker is already 3 sentences ahead. You're not slow at English. You're just processing it the wrong way, treating speed like accuracy. This is the before state. 1 sentence still loading, while 3 more slip past unnoticed. The gap between what's being said and what you've actually processed keeps growing until you're completely lost. Not because the words were too hard, but because the method itself can't keep up. Here's how to fix the timing, not just the vocabulary. Step 1. Practice gist extraction. Instead of catching every word, train yourself to catch the main verb and the overall feeling of a sentence. That's usually enough to follow along in real time, even if a few words slip by. Step 2. Let go of missed words immediately. If you miss one word, don't stop to recover it. That pause is exactly what causes you to miss the next 3. Keep moving forward with the conversation, not backward chasing a gap. Step 3. Practice with fast podcast clips, tracking meaning only. Play a short clip and try to summarize just the main idea afterward, without replaying it. This trains your brain to process live, not to transcribe. This is the after. You're not catching every word anymore, but you're not falling behind either. That's what real-time listening actually feels like. Try this today. Listen to one short clip, and instead of catching every word, just summarize the main idea afterward. If this helped, subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.